Oh, look at you, modern humans, building another giant body factory. Excuse me, building another giant big factory because you think technology replaces my job. While you are busy making 1.6 million tons of manure, my species is vanishing and the wild baby, excuse me, my species is vanishing and the wild pig and monkeys are throwing a party in your gardens because I'm not there to stop them. You call this progress? It is just an outdated way to poison your water while ignoring my right balance your world. If I can harness the whole system breaks, and no smart farm can fix a broken ecosystem.